Welcome to my channel, GR-TECHMIND. Let's begin with the Python programming language. We all know that the Python is a high-level, versatile, and interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. So let us see the brief description of Python. As I already told you that it is a high-level programming language, right? Which means that it is designed to easily read and write, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced developers. Okay. Also, it is interpreted. What does that mean? Meaning that we don't be having any compiler to do all these things. We will itself be having or provided with a compiler for coding, and whatever the code that you have run it will execute it. So this makes development and testing faster and more straightforward. And it is also a general purpose language, means it can be used for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, automation, and many more. Python is a readable and expressive, meaning that emphasizes code readability and uses a clean and concise syntax, making it easy to understand and write the code. So here, its indentation-based structure enforces clean and consistent formatting. Okay. Now, Python is a cross-platform as well. Meaning what? It is available on multiple platforms, say Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and many more. It allows the developers to write the code that can run on various operating systems without any modifications. Okay? And Python is a large standard library. Everyone should remember this. Python is a large standard library, meaning that it comes with a vast standard library that includes modules, packages for a wide range of tasks, reducing the need for external libraries and making development for more efficiency. And also remember that the Python is a dynamic typing, which means you don't need to declare the variable types explicitly because variable types are determined at runtime, providing the flexibility for you itself. Now, Python supports for multiple programming paradigms. What does that mean? Because including procedural, object-oriented, functional programming, right? So it allows developers to choose the best approach for their projects. Python is extensible. What does that mean? That means here, Python can be extended through external libraries and modules, making it easy to incorporate third-party into your code applications. Okay. Now, Python community and ecosystem is also involved. How? Because it has a thriving and active community of developers, which means there are a plenty of resources, libraries, and frameworks available with the help of development. Everything is made only for the development purpose. So, where do we see all these things? Applications means Python is more popular in data science and artificial intelligence. Python has become the language of choice for data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence due to the libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. There are so many libraries, not only this, so it really supports all these libraries, and most applications will find in data science and artificial intelligence. And finally, the only thing which we like is that the Python is an open source, which means it's freely available and the source code can be modified and distributed by anyone. So this is the complete introduction about the Python programming language. And let us ask you one question. Who is the main person who invented this Python programming language? It's a small task for you. Just find out.